Hi, my name is Kripa Sitaraman, and I'm the VMware Code Community Manager here at VMware. So we're doing a lot of really cool stuff at VMworld this year, and I just wanted to do a little video to get everyone excited about the activities that we have going around. All of our code activities this year are going to be located in Moscone West on the 3rd floor. When you go up the escalators and you get to the 3rd floor and you turn to your left, you're going to see 2 code alcoves. The first is going to be a hands-on lab makerspace. We're running 4 different kinds of labs throughout the week: PKS on Raspberry Pi, an IoT sensor lab, and that lab has 24 seats available. So first come, first serve, make sure you register on Schedule Builder. Right across from the first alcove, we're gonna have our big breakout room. We have 19 sessions going on throughout the week that are all 1 hour in length. And right across from that, we have the second code alcove, where we're gonna have a 100-person theater for 30-minute talks throughout the entire week. Monday night is my favorite night of VMworld. On Monday, we have the hackathon. Last year, we had over 125 participants during the 5 hours. We had coding, lots of laughs, and it's a great time. We recently just announced the hackathon, so make sure you go and register for it. It'll be a great event. Looking forward to meeting you and seeing you all at VMworld. Thank you.